Well, welcome back, everybody. Just got back from Edmonton about an hour ago, I guess. We went into Edmonton yesterday for a couple of reasons. The new toy for the land was supposed to arrive today. I got a call yesterday saying that I wouldn't be making it because they had some issues with the trucks that was supposed to deliver it. So we made arrangements that we can go in and pick it up. 3/4 of the way in, get a phone call saying that's not going to happen. Through some few complications there, we said, okay, well, that's fine. But I did happen to pick up a set of forks for our mini skid steer. So we got that picked up. Plus, it was a great opportunity to go spend the evening with my brother and his wife. They flew up from Newfoundland. Spent a month up here, I think it was, with their son and seeing their grandkids. So it was a nice evening. Had some supper and spent the evening together. It was fantastic. And then today, well, you know, when you're in the city, you got to stop at Costco. The wife loves Costco. So after that, I stopped and picked up a new bar and a couple chains for the chainsaw. My plan was to get down in the woods again today, but it's getting too late, I think, and we won't get down there today. We got a little bit of snow here last night while we were gone. So after it gets this done, I'll probably throw the plow on and go clear some snow in the driveway and things like that and get ready for tomorrow. Hopefully get down the woods tomorrow and cut a few more sticks, aka trees, if people don't realize what sticks is. So we'll get this thing changed here, and then so we get ready for tomorrow. I'll get this done, and then I'll bring you guys right back. Well, there you go. Let's see if she'll go. Look at that, purrs just like a kitten. So yeah, I don't think we'll get down the woods today. It's going to be a tomorrow thing now. It's a bit too late. We did get some snow, like I said earlier. We had to go throw the plow on the bike, but I got to fix the winch first. Last weekend we were down the woods and I broke the clip that keeps the hook on the winch. I've got some more clips. I'm gonna have to go and put that on now, and then get out with the plow and see if I can't plow some snow. I'll take you guys along with me, but in the meantime, I'll go get that hooked up, and then we'll go for a little ride in the side by side. Eh? This is what I'm talking about. This. So I gotta fix this thing here now shortly. Okay, folks, this is what I got going on here. As you can see, a couple of clamps that's got to go on there. I cut this piece off here because there's quite a few shards sticking off the cable there, so I cut it off and just wrapped it with a little bit of tape, as you can see. And I'll tighten this one up and put another couple on there probably. I got my glasses on because it got pretty bright here for a bit. Sunny. Supposed to be nice weather here in the next couple of days too. -3, so that'd be nice for working around and getting down in the woods and stuff like that. So we'll take it. With all the snow we got here, it's going to be a late spring by the looks of it. But this can take off anytime it wants to. Now I'm done with its snow and with it cold weather. Spring would be nice. We'll get down the woods tomorrow with the new bar and the chain. Look out. The sawdust flying everywhere. And there won't be a stick left in the woods. I'll have it all cut down, I guess, eh? Have to wait and see. That's 2. You should just get 1 more on there, I guess. So Monday it's gonna be a big day for us. That's when the new toy arrives. I don't know if it's just me or if other people will like it too, but it takes you a while to buy something decent size. You know, you think about it for a long time, and then you go ahead and you buy that item, and then when you buy it, you want it right away. Okay, I paid for it, now I want it. It's not the way it works all the time. So, and you get that little sense of, what's the word I'm looking for? Relief, I guess, after you buy it. All the anxiety and everything building up to buying it, and then you buy it and you think, okay, good to go. And then you want it. Then you gotta wait for it. And everything was all the anxiety and excitement waiting for the item to arrive, and then it finally gets here. So next couple of days, Monday, when it arrives here, is going to be a special time for us, exciting time for myself especially. And that's when the new toy arrives, and this is all the prep work that we got to do for it when it arrives. It's the new Sawmill, and I'm pretty excited about it. I don't know if you know or not, but you can see it. But you'll see it on Monday when it arrives, I'm sure. Anyways, I'm gonna get this wound in and get over and get the plow, and maybe take you guys along for a little ride in the side by side with me. Sun shining, -3 I think it is right now. Got the coffee, Getting the bike warm up here now. I'll pull off that. I'll pull off the plow, and we're gonna hook up the trailer, and we're gonna head down in the woods. When it gets down in the woods on the trail there, I'll show you some videos down there. Maybe we might see some deer, or maybe even a moose, or who knows what could be in there. I don't think anybody's been down there for the last couple of days, so it's pretty quiet. So stick around. We'll take some more videos when we get down there. See you shortly. push down on it? Can you push down? Can you push down? Okay, here we go. Yeah, perfect. Hey? No, this one's gonna go up here. It's a bit heavy, yeah. I'll put the Hey?
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Pretty good. It has arrived. Take a look at this beast. It got here today. Oh baby. Look at this machine. I waited a long time for it. And it's pretty exciting. It was supposed to be here on Friday. That didn't work out. So we waited till today, talked to the trucking company today, and they weren't going to deliver it until next Friday. So I decided to go down and get her picked up ourselves. So it's a thing of beauty. We love it. Can't wait. So this thing is going to make that look easy. So that's going to end it for this video, guys. Got a couple more coming up here. Next weekend is the long weekend. The kids are coming. Going to spend a couple days with us. Some in-laws are coming, so it's going to be a great time. We'll get down the woods, have a good old feed down there, fire, get some more logs hopefully, and get ready to set up our new toy. Until next time, we'll chat again.